Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ronan Vico, and in this video we're going to learn how to integrate Power Platform AI into your Power Apps Canvas app. At Power Platform, we have the option to create prompts or models that can be used at your Power Apps Canvas or your Automate Cloud. For example, we did together on the same channel. I will leave a card up here so you can watch a prompt that was made to pretend that was me. So basically, I created a predefined prompt where every time someone sent me a message at the Teams, I insert here the message as a parameter and build a response and reply for those messages at the team. So we have this video step by step how to do this automation. So basically, if you access the AI Hub at your Power Platform environment, you will have the AI models ready to do some tasks and also the prompts. So in this video, I'm going to build a prompt. It's easier to understand and learn with prompts. I'm going to click here and build again with you a new prompt. But now I will ask for a description of an image and I will use this at our Power Apps Canvas. So first thing first, let's build the prompt here. Our prompt will be simple. Please, I do not need to write please. We are not dealing with a person, it's an AI. So write a description to this image and I will insert a variable here, an image or document. So it could be a document and you can ask a description for the document, okay? Or do something with this Word or do something with this Excel file. Here, I will upload an image for an example so the AI knows an example and we can test it. I will select this image of my dog. Okay, so write a description to this image, but not just that. I want you to tell us a happy story with using just 50 words describing this image. So basically, I'm doing something pretty simple here. I'm inserting a variable, a parameter that can be used on the call. And this call can be made by the Power Apps Canvas, by the Automate Cloud. So I'm building a predefined prompt that can be used wherever I need. I will change the name to describe an image with a happy story with 50. The words, the count of the words could be dynamically changed. So let's change here. Instead of using 50 words, I will leave here an other variable, and this text input can be the name number of words, and I will use the 50 as an example. Did you understand here? So I can predefine variables and a prompt and use it when I need. Because I already inserted a document input as an example and also the number of words, I can test it. But before that, I need to change this name, and I will show you why I'm changing the name. Changing the name helps us on the Automate Cloud Flows or the Power Apps Canvas development, because we're going to read the name of the variable. It is easier to remember what I need to insert. So here I'm going to type the image for the name, and here's it. Now I can test it. I will use the basic one, and also if you need more models to do more stuff in AI, you can use the AI Foundry model. So you need to connect here and use them. In my case, it's pretty simple what I'm doing here. I'm going to use the basic, and I can click test, and our result will be right here. Okay, here's it. The response is right here. I can read, and we have the beauty story, happy story about our image. After that, I'm going to change this 50 to X words, right? Because it's a variable. I'm going to save it. And before I move to the Power Apps Canvas, something cool is that we can see here how much credits was spent and also the response time. So this is good to understand the average time and also the cost, right? Okay, our prompt is here, it's ready to go. At your Power Apps canvas, you need to go to the connectors, to the data. And here we have the models, the AI models. And here at the AI models, you can see all the default models from the Microsoft and also all the models that you build on the same tenant. That's important to know. Should be at the same tenant, okay? So let's go again, add data, AI models, and here we're going to find the describe an image with an happy story with X words. Here is exactly the prompt that we want to use. So I'm going to select it. It's going to be like a connector here where I can call like an automated Cloudflow or any other connector that you already have on your app. Right now, what I'm going to do is to insert an image, an add image, okay, add media with image here. And also, I will insert here a text input, right, where the user will insert a number of words. So let me insert a tooltip here. How much words you want at the response. Okay. What I'm going to do next is to insert a button. I know that is on Portuguese. I'm sorry because to test it, I'm using my account that have Copilot credits. So it's my tenant in Portuguese. But I think that you can understand what I'm doing here. On select, I will call our prompt. So here, I'm going to type down, describe an image. It's exactly how you call an Automate Cloudflow. It's the model prompt here, dot predict, and here it's the name of the variable. That's why I said to you, type down a name that will be useful when you're going to use that on Apps Canvas or Automate Cloud. The number of words going to be the value of this text number words, okay? And also the image is going to be, if you know how to use the Add Media button here, the Add Media button, save the image on the uploaded image. So I'm going to select the uploaded image right here and use as parameter on the call. So basically, I need to change here to text. So basically, this call will use the image that is inserted by the user and also the number of the words that was inserted by the user too. The last step here is to save the response into a variable like you do it using the Automate Cloud. You understand here it's the same. So I'm going to set a var AI predict the response of the call to the prompt, right? To end this video, I'm just insert a label here. With this label, I will concat the story, the result story, and I will call the prediction, right? So I will click at the button, the AI will run, it will save at the variable that we just created, and now I can concat with the var AI predict, and we have the finished reason that could be an error or success, right? And the text that we want. Here we have an error because I do not have an image, and also I do not have the number of words. So what I'm going to do is to click here. I will select this avocado. I will type that I want just 20 words in this story, and I will click at this button. And here's it. The result story. I have avocado found love, spreading joy and smiles with its cut face and little heart. If I click here, change for my dog and ask for like 30 words, click at the button again, I will have a new story now about the small dog. Really happy story here, right? So I just made this video to show to you the possibilities of creating a predefined prompt and use that on your Power Apps Canvas, in your Automate Cloud. You can use the same prompt in more than one app, more than one automation. One little bonuses here is that you can insert additional context, okay? So if you need to add additional context to the image, you can insert a new parameter here that is optional. I do not recommend it because if we are using a predefined prompt, it should not use additional context, okay? But you can use it if you need. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment down below your feedback and also type the word avocado so I will know that you watched the video completed to the end. So leave your feedback and type the word avocado. Hit the thumbs up and share this channel so we can grow up this channel and create more free content like this to you. If you want to learn more about Microsoft 365 and Power Platform, check the first link at the description and use my coupon code where you get a huge discount on the best Power Platform and Microsoft courses on the world. Thank you so much for watching. We see you in another video, in another class, and please consider to subscribe.